Tripping over himself. George. Sleepy Alex?
I'm like spacing out.
I know, I've been spacing out real bad too. Frank!
I'm going for the knees, man. Like, take her out.
I'm gonna fight back now.
Uh-uh.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Trying to go for the neck?
I know. Go for the jugular. Freaking biting on the back paws.
She's taking it.
She loves it.
She gets all slobbery and like.
She gets crusty.
Yeah, from
She
him.
gets crusty.
Frank! She's not a toy. She's just like.
Oh, look at this move. Oh, got her pinned, man. Got her pinned.
I can't. I can't even. Oh my God.
Welcome to Sunday night.
Oh.
He's going for the pin, like the takedown move.